Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some tips and tricks for getting the most out of Wagtail, the powerful and flexible content management system used by thousands of websites around the world. Whether you're a content editor, a developer, or just getting started, these tips will help you work more efficiently and effectively with Wagtail. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the basics. If you're new to Wagtail, you might be wondering how to navigate the interface. One of the first things you'll notice is the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the Explorer, which is essentially the tree structure of your site. It's an easy way to navigate through your pages. Clicking on the arrows next to each page will expand or collapse the tree, letting you see all the child pages at a glance. Now, if you're editing content in Wagtail, you're probably familiar with Streamfield. It's one of Wagtail's most powerful features, allowing you to create rich, flexible content by combining different blocks. But here's a tip. Instead of manually creating the same block layouts over and over, you can use struct_block to create reusable content structures. For example, if you frequently use a heading followed by a paragraph and an image, you can create a custom struct_block that includes all three. This saves you time and ensures consistency across your site. Speaking of Streamfield, did you know that you can customize the order of your blocks? By default, Wagtail shows blocks in the order they're defined in your model, but you can drag and drop them in the admin interface to reorder them as needed. This is great for when you want to experiment with different content layouts without having to dive into the code. Let's not forget about performance. A fast website is a good website, and Wagtail provides several tools to help you keep things speedy. One of the best ways to improve performance is by using caching. Wagtail integrates with Django's caching framework, which allows you to cache pages, fragments, or even query sets. By caching your content, you can reduce the load on your server and improve page load times for your users. Another tip, regularly audit your site for large images and unnecessary third-party scripts. These can slow down your site significantly. Wagtail's image renditions can help with this by serving appropriately sized images, but it's also important to compress your images before uploading them. Now, if you want to make Wagtail even more user-friendly for your team, you might want to customize the admin interface. You can add custom CSS and JavaScript to the Wagtail admin to make it look and function exactly how you want. For example, you can add tooltips, highlight important fields, or even create custom widgets for specific content types. Another great feature is the ability to add help text to your models. This is especially useful if you have a team of content editors who might not be as familiar with the technical aspects of your site. Help. Text appears under each field in the admin and can guide editors on how to fill out forms correctly. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in reducing errors and improving the overall editing experience. So there you have it, some of our top tips for getting the most out of Wagtail. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, these tips can help you work smarter, not harder. Remember, Wagtail is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Take the time to explore its features, customize it to fit your needs, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you use Wagtail, the more you'll discover how flexible and versatile it can be. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content management tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.